XRP/Ripple. Elon Musk is fooling you in Dogecoin. Buy XRP. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. As we all knew about the tweets from Elon Musk about how excited he is from Dogecoin. But do you think it is better than XRP or any other cryptocurrencies? So today we will tell you in this video why XRP is 2 times better than Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrencies, and why you should consider buying XRP this year. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video straight away. Although entirely different by nature, XRP versus Dogecoin often comes up among crypto investors about which to own. A lot of it has to do with their position on the list of the largest coins by market cap, where usually one coin tends to hold a higher rank, with the other one trying to surpass it. However, many see both as good investments, but they still have trouble deciding which coin to invest in and support. It might help to resolve this problem if we take a look at each of them separately and see what they are trying to achieve. Dogecoin. Doge is a cryptocurrency and digital payment platform which was created to reach a broader demographic than typical digital currencies. Dogecoin is referred to as a joke currency or meme coin, since the coin began as a meme-inspired joke on the internet. Dogecoins can be used to conduct transactions with compatible vendors. However, it has gained popularity as a currency for tipping content creators on the internet. Dogecoin was created in 2013 by programmer Billy Marcus and Adobe Systems marketer Jackson Palmer. The project was based on LuckyCoin, a fork of the Litecoin blockchain, although changes were later made to the block mining reward system. Dogecoin has gained fame as a tool for fundraising and has raised funds for several charitable causes. Dogecoins were donated to send athletes to the 2014 Winter Olympics. Dogecoin funds were used to raise money for World Water Day, while it was also used to sponsor NASCAR driver Josh Wise. But XRP, on the other hand, is a global payment protocol aimed to provide fast transactions and cheap payments internationally. The network uses a digital currency known as XRP. Sometimes it's referred to as Ripple. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Ripple is not aimed to replace banks. Rather, this project is created to improve the work of banks, including transactions between different banks, via blockchain solutions. Recently, XRP successfully took over Ethereum's position on the list of the largest coins, and it has been around a month and a half as it took over. The coin is known for a lot of things, which also includes controversies regarding its nature and true purpose. In 2018, XPR even got targeted by centralization accusations, lawsuits, and it made a lot of headlines because of it. However, it is worth noting that it is not all that bad, and that it also became well known for its efforts to revolutionize international payment systems. Another thing that bothers crypto purists is the fact that XRP works closely with banks around the world, and that there are over 100 financial institutions that have decided to partner up with this coin. Considering how much banks seem to mistrust crypto, this is quite an achievement on XRP's part. Of course, banks are not approaching the coin for no reason, and the products of Ripple Labs, closely tied to XRP itself, are the real reason behind these partnerships. As mentioned, XRP is trying to improve cross-border payments, and it does it in combination with XRapid and XCurrent. This technology is faster, cheaper, and more advanced than the old systems that banks have been using until now, which is why many of them were willing to give this particular cryptocurrency a chance. Of course, we also mentioned that XRP was a center of controversies, which mostly revolve around its nature. Many are claiming that the coin is centralized and that its parent company manipulates it for its own gain. However, the company continues to deny this, and several of the lawsuits against them have already been dismissed. In combination with the firm's efforts to show that XRP is decentralized, this makes it clear why the coin is popular with banks, and why it might be a good investment for 2019. Ripple also offers banks special technologies with which they can provide cross-border payments at a speed not available to traditional payment systems. XRP digital currency is available on most large exchanges and gives a good profit if you use automated trading. Today's giants of the banking industry, such as Swift and Western Union, are considered Ripple's competitors. However, these organizations do not use blockchain. Therefore, their technologies seem to be somewhat behind the times. Today, Ripple successfully works with many financial institutions. The network of this cryptocurrency company consists of more than 200 banks. What does Ripple offer to banks? an effective network for the transfer of large assets. Everything happens almost instantly. Commissions for transfers on the cryptocurrency company's network are really low. The Ripple network allows you to reduce the number of currency conversions when transferring from one country to another. So, in a transaction from South Korea to Brazil by traditional methods, through banks, you will have to pay a substantial commission and lose on currency conversions. All this can be avoided if you use the international Ripple network. You can exchange Korean won for XRP, transfer them almost for free to another country, for example, to Brazil, and exchange XRP for local currency there. In other words, XRP is a currency that is used as an intermediary to reduce the cost of cross-border transfers. All that was said above does not mean that Ripple is a unique technology that cannot be replaced. Firstly, other cryptocurrencies also allow you to make cheaper transfers from one country to another. Secondly, large banks themselves gradually master the blockchain and create their own digital currencies. Not so long ago, financial giant JP Morgan announced the creation of its digital currency JPM for domestic use. Some experts even announced that this move by the largest US bank marks the beginning of the end of the entire Ripple payment network. After all, JPM, which relies on the power of the American banking system, is a powerful competitor to XRP. On the other hand, while instant transition technologies are developing, Ripple has a great chance to take its place in the sun. What the company's management is doing is luring more and more new customers into its payment network, developing various technological bonds that should help the company withstand competition with JP Morgan and other financial sharks. At the same time, today you can buy XRP without any problems and use this digital currency for auto trading on any suitable exchange. Why did banks love to use XRP and switch to it? Many banks and financial institutions prefer to use the Ripple network to make cross-border transfers for one simple reason. In this network, everything is much cheaper than that of competitors. Typically, small banks use intermediary services to transfer funds to another bank. For example, the service of the already mentioned organization SWIFT, but the latter takes quite large commissions for transactions. The system itself is very cumbersome, aimed at servicing large banks, including the central banks of the largest states of the world. It is clear that for small financial institutions this system is not very suitable. This is where the company Ripple with its cryptocurrency network appears. Today, more than 200 banks use this network to make transfers. Among the most notable financial institutions, there are Santander, Yes Bank, Union Credit, and NBAD. Ripple experts say that the company's customers can save almost $4 on each transaction on the network. Considering that banks make millions of operations every year, a huge amount is accumulating up to $10 million. Today, Ripple's successful business is led by Brad Garlinghouse. David Schwartz is responsible for the innovation sector. The Ripple development team is constantly creative and comes up with new ways of distributing its digital currency, and the company's managers are building partnerships with all new banks. This is why the XRP cryptocurrency has great prospects. Even today, Ripple is largely developing at the expense of institutional investors, companies large enough to invest millions of dollars in it. Ordinary traders cannot make investments in the company, but have the opportunity to buy any amount of XRP. Cryptocurrency has come a long way. Its rise was observed in early 2018, and now the price of XRP fluctuates around the values of 2 years ago. Ripple cryptocurrency shows certain stability, which can be explained by the growing popularity of the platform among banks. In addition, XRP ranks third in terms of capitalization, second only to Ethereum and Bitcoin. In general, XRP plays an important role in the entire Ripple money transfer system, the role of a reserve currency. XRP serves as an intermediary, thanks to which it is possible to make cross-border transfers online very cheaply. The head of the company, Brad Garlinghouse, once said that XRP could become a global reserve currency in the future. But so far this is far. After all, both Bitcoin and the new Facebook cryptocurrency already claim this role. However, the dollar is not going to concede its position to anyone yet. So, you should not count on the rapid growth of the Ripple network. The company, most likely, realistically evaluates its capabilities and expects normal, consistent growth. For this, new banks and financial organizations will be involved in the XRP network. Therefore, the XRP rate is unlikely to change much in the near future. As we said, XRP will remain a stable digital currency. Now the question arises, why not invest in Dogecoin instead of XRP? After all, Dogecoin is a more popular currency. Elon Musk also relies on it. The answer is simple. Earlier, we talked about how competent investors make up an investment portfolio. Whatever one may say, there should be more Dogecoin in the portfolio than XRP. But investing only in Dogecoin is too unreliable. Dogecoin might someday be unlikely to die, but can stagnate for a long time. This is why you need to add XRP to your portfolio. If Dogecoin does not show good results, you can rely on profits from Ripple. That's it for today, guys. We will see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.